Hello foodies! Welcome to Svedanika the kitchen. Today's recipe is quick and easy spinach pulao. This one pot meal is rich in nutrients and easy to prepare. Without any hassles of making puree, we show you how to make pulao without blanched and pureed spinach. This dish makes a best recipe for lunchboxes during busy mornings. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. We need cooking oil, whole garam masala. I am taking small piece of cinnamon stick, 3 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 4 peppercorns, caraway seeds or shahijeera, star anise and 2 bay leaves. Half cup mint leaves, 4 to 5 slit green chillies, 1 cup thinly sliced onion, turmeric powder, garam masala, chilli powder and salt, ginger garlic paste, 1.5 cup basmati rice. Here you can use regular sona masuri rice too. Wash rice until the water runs clear. Add water and soak it for 15 minutes. Wash and dry spinach beforehand. Here I am using baby spinach today. I love the freshness of baby spinach, which is very tender and flavorful. Finely chop spinach and keep it aside. You can do prep work by chopping everything else before night except onion. Spinach is ready. Let's keep it aside. Turn Instant Pot on saute mode. When the inner pot is hot, add 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Since the inner pot is hot, oil heats up quickly. Now add whole garam masala. Add slit green chillies. If you are using regular chillies, add more. Now add thinly sliced onion in the oil. Saute onions for few seconds and let them cook. Onions seem to be cooked almost. Saute until they turn transparent. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute until raw smell is gone and ginger garlic paste is cooked well. Now add handful of roasted cashews. This is completely optional, but kids like to munch cashews in pulaus. I prefer to add them. Give it a good mix and add 4 cups finely chopped spinach. Saute for few minutes. If you like, you can add cauliflower florets, diced potato and green peas too. But I prefer to make it just spinach pulao. Look, spinach started leaving water. Now add salt. Spinach recipes doesn't need much salt. Add carefully. Add half teaspoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute everything until all spices are blended in the spinach. Now add water in 1:1.5 ratio for rice to water. If you are using sona masuri rice, add water in 1:2 ratio. Mix everything once. Now add soaked rice. Mix everything carefully, you may end up in breaking rice. Taste the water and add salt if necessary. Water should taste little salty at this stage so that rice will be seasoned perfectly. Add half cup mint leaves. You can finely chop mint leaves and add, but I prefer to add as it is. Now close the lid and seal the pressure valve. If you are using regular pressure cooker, let it cook on medium-high for 1 whistle. Cancel saute mode and turn on steam mode on high pressure for 7 minutes. Once the timer is off, wait until the pressure is released naturally. Now pressure is released naturally. Open the lid. Look at the perfectly cooked rice. It is not looking too green. Let's transfer pulao into serving bowl. Very quick and simple one-pot recipe for spinach pulao is ready to serve. Serve this flavorful pulao as it is or with raita. This one-pot recipe is perfect for lunch boxes. Kids love this nutritious pulao in lunchboxes or at home. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Do try this recipe and don't forget to share your feedback with us. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.